Why is tortoise a popular good luck symbol in Feng Shui? And if you have one, where should you place it? Let's find out. But before I answer these questions, let me remind you to please like this video and subscribe to our channel divyamantra.com. The tortoise is one of the four most revered symbols in Feng Shui. Of the four directions, the tortoise represents north. Tortoises have long life, hence they are associated with good luck, long life, health, well-being and money. Tortoise in Feng Shui is also known as a shielding symbol. As per Chinese philosophy, Feng Shui tortoises attract positive energy and cleans the home and work environment. And there is a legend behind the Feng Shui tortoise. Legends say that it was around 3000 B.C.E. when people living around Lu River in China were experiencing frequent floods. When the Chinese population offered sacrifice to calm the fury, a gigantic tortoise emerged from the river. Apart from the size, the most perplexing thing about the tortoise was the carving on its shell. The pattern on the tortoise shell gave the sum of 15 when calculated through every possible method. Belief is that the carving also forms the fundamentals of Feng Shui. Thus, a tortoise is one of the most auspicious animals in Feng Shui. So where should you place the Feng Shui tortoise? Well, it depends on the purpose that you are using it for. Putting a tortoise symbol at the back of your house can ensure protection and longevity. A Feng Shui tortoise at the entrance facing inwards ensures the flow of good vibes, health, financial stability in the house. Keeping a tortoise symbol near your bed enhances emotional stability and keeps the mind calmer. Placing the Feng Shui tortoise northward and behind your workspace is favorable for your career. Similarly, a Feng Shui tortoise near a water body or a water tank amplifies the power of the tortoise. Another powerful tortoise symbol is a triple tortoise, which shows three-tiered tortoise. The triple tortoise symbol in Feng Shui represents three generations of a family. So it represents family bonding. It also symbolizes good health, longevity, prosperity and good luck. Placing the triple tortoise in home blocks negative energy from coming in. Feng Shui tortoise in residence can bring good fortune and health. In workplace, it removes all the negativity from the environment. Another potent symbol in Feng Shui tortoise is the dragon tortoise. The Feng Shui dragon tortoise symbol is believed to bring benefits to two generations of a family. It helps uplift emotional state, happiness and affluence and removes negative energy from your workplace and house. The half dragon and half tortoise symbol keeps the bad energy at bay. A dragon tortoise in east direction is considered beneficial for long life. Placing the dragon tortoise on the floor for wealth in the southeast is convenient. The dragon tortoise in the northeast direction is known to increase concentration and keeps you more focused. All these beautiful products are available at divyamantra.com. Please visit our site. Thank you.